Welcome to Xarra, the cradle of the Zeruds. This is a world of extremes, where the desert sun heats the air to 70 degrees Celsius by day, and the nights remain frozen and lifeless. The atmosphere is a thick veil of mineral dust, where lethal solar radiation silences most forms of life. But where others see a wasteland, the Zeruds found power. They evolved not just to survive the radiation, but to consume it. On Xarra, sunlight isn't a threat. It is the lifeblood that fuels a civilization. This is the home of the Guardians, born from the heat and the shifting sands. The Zeruds are a masterpiece of techno-organic evolution. Their humanoid forms are encased in a living biomechanical shell, a natural armor that grows alongside them throughout their lives. Deep within their chest lies their most vital organ, the crystalline core. This core acts as a biological reactor, converting absorbed solar energy into pure bioplasma. They do not breathe oxygen like we do. Instead, they sustain themselves through constant photon exchange. With elongated heads and glowing blue eyes, they perceive the universe as a map of energy. For a Zerud, to exist is to be one with the light. Discipline and structure are the pillars of Zerud society. Their path is determined at birth by the natural brightness of their core. The luminaries, with the most brilliant cores, lead their people with unwavering clarity. The pylons stand as the unbreakable shields of the desert, while navigators guide their fleets through the void. Every role is essential, from the crystal masters who shape their world to the sand guardians who preserve their ancient history. In a universe of chaos, the Zeruds are a symphony of order, where every individual is a vital frequency in the collective harmony of the race. To understand the Zeruds, you must understand their silence. They do not wear helmets. Their facial plating is a biological extension of their form, never to be removed. Their art is not painted in ink, but in shifting light patterns that dance across their armor. They find beauty in the resonance of crystals and the quiet hum of their sun-collecting temples. Their most sacred ritual is the synchronization, a ceremony where entire groups align their cores to pulse in perfect unison. Calm, disciplined, and deeply connected, they view the chaotic emotions of other races as a disease to be avoided. The technology of the Zeruds is indistinguishable from life itself. Their massive starships are biomechanical leviathans that feed on the radiation of distant stars. In the heart of the desert, their cities grow like living minerals, emerging directly from the dunes and cliffs. When forced into conflict, they utilize weapons based on crystal resonance, shattering targets with precise harmonic frequencies. They rarely seek war, respecting the boundaries of others, as they expect their own to be respected. But if their desert sanctuary is threatened, their fleets ignite like a blinding solar storm, proving that even the calmest light can burn. In the vast expanse of the NexusVerse, The Zeruds hold a unique position. They are the silent guardians of ancient light technologies, artifacts from a time long forgotten. Their spaceports serve as vital hubs for interstellar caravans, connecting distant worlds through the golden sands of Xarra. Though they rarely interfere in galactic politics, their presence is a stabilizing force. They are a reminder that order can thrive in the harshest environments, and that light can endure the deepest shadows. This is the legacy of the Zeruds, the golden soul of the Rift. Space is no longer a silent void. It is a symphony of destruction. When the Zerud Golden Fleet engages, the stars themselves seem to tremble. These are not merely machines of war. They are biomechanical leviathans, breathing and reacting to every threat in real time. Watch as the ships align, their hulls pulsing with concentrated solar energy. They do not fire conventional projectiles. Instead, they unleash the power of crystal resonance, harmonic frequencies that vibrate at the exact molecular pitch of the enemy's hull, shattering massive insectoid cruisers into a cloud of obsidian dust. The battle is a dance of light and shadow. While the larger ships hold the line with massive beams of blue bioplasma, the agile interceptors weave through asteroid fields, outmaneuvering the swarm with organic precision. Every maneuver is synchronized through the shared consciousness of the navigators. This is the ultimate test of order against chaos. As the rift flares with the heat of 1,000 explosions, the Zeruds prove why they are the undisputed masters of the light. They do not fight for conquest, they fight for the sanctity of the sands of Xarra. But in their defense, they will turn the galaxy's own radiation into a weapon, leaving only absolute silence in their wake.